present here. I am very glad to stand before you to say something about life. Dear friends, what is life? Life is a journey between B and D, from birth to death. But what's between B and D? It's C, the choice. Our life is matter of choices. Live well and it will never go wrong. Life is just a four-letter word, yet it holds endless meaning. It is a journey filled with ups and downs, success and failures, joy and sorrow. Each day presents us with new opportunities, new challenges, and new lessons to learn. Life is not just about surviving, it's about living the fullest and happiest life. It's about finding purpose, embracing change, and becoming the version of ourselves. There will be moments when we feel lost, but that moments teaches us resilience. There will be failures, but it helps us to grow. There will be pain, but it reminds us the value of happiness. The key to fulfilling life is a positive mindset. Instead of focusing on what we lack, we should appreciate what we have. Gratitude, kindness, and perseverance shape a meaningful life. Success is not just about wealth or fame, it's about the inner peace and the impact we have on others. So let's cherish each and every moment, spread love and positivity, and never stop learning. Because life does not count the number of years we live, but the memories we create and the lives we touch. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, and I conclude my talk by saying this quote: life is like a notebook. Two pages are already written by God. First page is birth and last page is death. Center